they were not able to afford it. In fact, what we have sold is average ticket size is around 60,000 per policy, premium size, and it's very high. And in fact, that puts us in second place in the country after Canara HSBC. But then we are not satisfied with that. We want affordable insurance to be given to citizens everywhere. And that's why we are today introducing a plan, Dhan Suraksha Express, where the premium will be, minimum premium required is just 15,000 rupees. And it's a 10-year plan where life insurance as well as benefit of stock market return can be availed by the customers. And another plan is our defined growth endowment plan, because if now you must, I think all of you are aware that there is a gradual shift to traditional endowment plan by all the companies because of so many other factors and reasons. But the most important factor is essentially we are life insurance companies that we must provide life insurance products, traditional products. That's why we are introducing another product, and this product will have the advantage of letting the customer know from day one, the time they buy the policy, how much he is going to get after a certain period or of maturity, and how much his family will get as financial support in case something unfortunate happens. I would request my colleague, Mr. G.V. Ramana, who is VP Distribution, to make a presentation about these two products. I will appreciate your patience so long Mr. Ramana makes the presentation.